JP Morgan's equity premium ETF, known as JEPI, is one of the most popular investment vehicles among many different investors. First and foremost, JEPI ETF provides investors with the exposure to a diversified portfolio of U.S. large cap stocks that have historically provided higher dividend yields than the broader market. This is an attractive feature for many investors who seek regular income from their investments. The ETF achieves this by investing into a portfolio of various large cap stocks that have a history of paying high dividends. These are companies such as Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, to name a few. On top of this, JEPI employs a covered call strategy, which generates additional income for investors by selling covered call options on the entire stock's portfolio. This strategy allows investors to earn a premium for selling the right to buy their shares at a predetermined price. On top of that, this also limits the downside risk in a volatile market. But most importantly, you guys clicked on this video because you want to see how long it would take for your initial $10,000 investment to compound into $1 million plus. So right here is what we call a compound interest calculator. And these are all over the internet. They are tons of fun to mess around with and input different numbers. But for the sake of this video, we are starting with a $10,000 initial investment. For the length of time in years, we put in 50 years as sort of a place marker, and the estimated interest rate, which JEPI currently is offering, around 11.7%. And of course, you can change this and mess around with different stocks and ETFs and see how things will calculate. After you click calculate, you will see a table like this, and you can go through year by year and see that the first year JEPI would be worth $10,000. Year number one, it would be $11,170, of course. Year number two, $12,476. And the cool thing is, and sort of the magic behind compounding, is that as the years go on, one thing's for certain, the numbers are going to get more and more aggressively large. And that's exactly what compounding does. So by year number 10, you'd be at $30,236. And again, this is all just theoretically speaking. By year number 15, $52,577. And again, this is off a $10,000 investment. By year 20, $91,000. Year 25, $158,000. You see how as the time goes on, it doesn't take as many years to really see big jumps. And as we scroll down further and further, it looks like year number 41, 42 is when you would cross the 1 million mark. And again, this is from an initial investment of $10,000. And on top of that, this is without adding a single penny to the portfolio. This is just with investing $10,000 in a JEPI and letting the magic of compounding do its thing. It would take you 42 years in theory to turn $10,000 into $1 million. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to please drop a like on the video. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.